Here's your fourth stimulus check update. Economists are now pushing for an $8,581 fourth stimulus check for all Americans. This would be a one-time inflation relief check, and these checks could be automatically deposited to all eligible households and Americans that receive monthly benefit checks. The state of New Mexico is sending out $400 checks, and the state of Maine is sending out $800 payments. My friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video because I will be providing you with much more details. To say thank you for joining me here every day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Dear friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaway.
Mr. President, if there has been one defining feature of Democrat governance over the past 20 months, it's inflation. When President Biden took office, inflation was at 1.4%, well within the target inflation rate of 2%. But then Democrats decided to pass a massive $1.9 trillion spending spree, the so-called American Rescue Plan Act. The legislation flooded the economy with unnecessary government money, and the economy overheated. As a result, inflation quickly began climbing, and then climbing some more, and then some more after that. We've now spent 6 straight months with inflation above 8%. 6 straight months. The last time inflation was this bad, E.T. was about to hit theaters, and we still had more than a year to wait for Return of the Jedi. For those that weren't around then, that was 40 years ago, in 1982. Mr. President, inflation, of course, has meant tremendous economic pain for the American people. Huge grocery store bills, big utility bills, high prices at the pump. Americans are dipping into their savings to make ends meet. They're cutting back on essentials or putting basic living expenses on their credit cards. In the month of August alone, inflation cost the average American household a staggering $715. $715. 1 month. Even if prices stopped increasing tomorrow, the inflation that we've already experienced will cost the average American household more than $8,500 over the next year.
Now, friends, a total of 3 rounds of federal stimulus checks were deposited into Americans' bank accounts over the past several years in order to help shield families from the devastating effects of this crisis. But the crisis has not stopped affecting millions of Americans' lives. Many Americans will spend thousands of dollars in extra money this year, in part due to the crisis. And many are hoping that our federal government will take some action to help people defray these big expenses with another stimulus payment. The crisis has led to surging inflation, which has impacted many families and senior citizens. While there are many contributing factors causing inflation to be at a 40-year high, crisis-related supply chain disruptions and the increased demand for goods and services following an extended lockdown are 2 of the leading reasons why prices have gone up so much this year. The United States Congress Joint Economic Committee recently released a report in August showing just how much prices have risen for the typical American household, and the numbers are not good. According to their data, even if prices stop going up for the rest of the year, the inflation that has already happened means that the average American household will pay out an extra $8,581 in the coming 12 months. This is a large sum of money, and it is money that most families cannot afford, especially if their jobs were disrupted due to the crisis. With Americans out so much cash, many believe our federal government should step up to provide checks that would cover these losses. And according to some economists, if Washington lawmakers wanted to even out the cost for Americans, they would need to send out $8,581 checks. Other economists say that even higher payments than that may need to be sent out if prices continue going up instead of remaining stagnant through the remainder of this year. Past stimulus relief packages have provided thousands for families. The one good news is that many states recognize that inflation has been detrimental, and they are sending out money to help residents cope. While the payments being sent are much smaller than the $8,581, at least those in states that are offering aid will get some support to cover the huge extra expenses that inflation is causing. Please let me know in the comment section below how much your typical grocery bill is. Friends, the keyword for this video is Big Sky, Montana. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Big Sky, Montana, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are also subscribed to my channel. According to the state of New Mexico, low-income households in New Mexico have less than a week to apply for a fourth economic stimulus check that is worth at least $400. The latest stimulus checks are being administered by the New Mexico Human Services Department. The state is accepting applications until 5 p.m. on October 7, 2022. This fourth check is intended for low-income households. A state spokesperson said, depending on the number of eligible applications, the funds can be distributed accordingly. Our hope is that we get a good amount of applications so that we can serve the people who need it the most. New Mexico's Department of Finance and Administration will start sending these payments to approved applicants before the end of November. Applicants who are chosen for this payment will be informed of their confirmation. State officials will also prioritize homes with the lowest incomes. However, the officials have not yet clarified which households qualify. Maine residents are also eligible to receive up to $850 in crisis relief. That is thanks to a surplus in the state's budget, offering some financial assistance to address inflation-induced economic strains. About 858,000 Mainers will be eligible for a relief check, so long as they fill out their necessary paperwork to claim their payments by the end of October. To qualify, applicants must be full-year residents of the state and file a 2021 Maine income tax return by October 31st, 2022. Governor Janet Mills approved the distribution of these checks back in April, proposing the financial relief to alleviate economic strain imposed by the crisis and rising inflation. The total cost of the stimulus is estimated to cost a total of $729.3 million. Friends, please let me know in the comment section below if you have received a city or a state stimulus check. Well, my beautiful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so very much for joining me here every day when I post a video. To say thank you, I'll be announcing a winner for tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway. Please remember to enter the keywords in the comment section below, and do stay tuned for that video. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and safe weekend.